everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I wanted to show you how I wash my makeup brushes. Now, all you need is a bottle of soap. It can be washing up liquid, it can be baby soap. I just use a really rubbish shampoo that I got from TK Maxx that I don't like. So I just use this. You can use whatever soap you want. And get yourself one of these little rubbery mats. They've got all these little shapes in. You can get these for like £1 in Primark. They're really good. You can just slip that on your hand like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your shampoo or your soap onto your little mat. So let's see. I can't do it with my hand like this. Ooh, like this basically. Plop some of your shampoo on. Get whatever brush you want to start with first. I'm going to start with this brush here because it's pretty manky. And I'm going to run it underneath the tap. You're just going to wet your brush under the tap, turn the tap off, and then take your brush that's wet and start. You can see all the makeup coming out on there. You can add more water if you need to, but that's what you're going to do until all the makeup has come out, which you've got all these different grooves, so it's great to work on any different brush. And then you're just going to rinse it under the tap like this. I need to clean this bit as well, but this is just for demonstration purposes. And just make sure you squeeze out all this. And the good thing about shampoo is it squeezes it all out. Rinse your little pad out and start again. Another brush here, turn the tap off and start. Now you may think, oh my gosh, I can't be bothered to do this. This takes forever, but it's actually quite a nice relaxing thing to do. And if you feel like you've got a busy mind, this is a great way to just completely switch off because you're just concentrated in washing your brushes. So give it a go. I do this probably, well, I should do it once a week, but I do it probably once a month, let's be real, or when my brushes look really dirty. Then what you want to do is just lie your brush flat to dry. I'll show you how I lay out my brushes afterwards, but there we go, that was that. I'm going to rinse that out. That's why you're probably best off using a really cheap soap or shampoo because you keep rinsing it out. I'm going to wash this brush now, which is my Bare Minerals one. And I'm just going to rinse that under the tap. And again. Now, if you don't have one of these, it's fine. You can just use your hand and do this. And rinse. So you don't need one of those. But if you happen to be in a shop and you find one, then it's a good one to have. And there we go. Rinse out, clean, leave it on the top to dry. And start again. So then, once all my brushes are washed, I lay them out on a towel like so to dry. And I usually let this dry overnight. So just lay them flat and they will be as good as new in the morning. There you have it. That's how I wash my brushes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Give it a go. Hope you're well. Chat to you soon. Bye.